Hey everyone, Raven here from tjtrue.com, and we're going to be talking about networking for wealth today. Okay, now before we get started, please like, please share, and please subscribe to the channel, and even leave a little comment at the bottom if you feel like I left out anything. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Right now, we're going to talk about networking for wealth. So you've got your business, and you've got your products, and you got your services. Now it's time to start marketing your services, start marketing your products, start marketing yourself, start marketing your company. You want to get everything out there, okay? So you're going to come against the wall that everyone hits when it comes to marketing and when it comes to networking. It only fails when you don't put the word out there and when you don't have enough customers getting your product out there to enough people. And that's the whole idea that we're going to talk about, creating a network of people who will work with you and who will also work for you. Now, you may be thinking, where do I get these people? You will go out there and you will grab the people, and you won't physically grab them, but you're going to go to an industry, or you're going to go to people that are in the related field, and you're going to go and market. You're going to go and help them market themselves, and they're going to help you market you, okay? Now, the concept of networking for wealth should really be a part of your plan, and we're going to have a 5 list plan down there in the bio, and I'm also going to include a few screenshots so you can see what that plan looks like. Now, let's say each of you may only have 100, 500, 1,000, 2,500 names on your email list, or in your Facebook group, or a combination of both. Alright, regardless of that, reaching a wider audience when you're helping each other, that's the key. We're always going to be trying to help each other, okay? That's the key of everything, helping each other and helping each other grow. We have to remember that. Now, it's important to think of this as a situation where there are many seats at the table. We can all eat if we all work together and work towards the meal. Many hands make the light work. All right, and you got to share, and you got to share alike. Now, once you get your plan together, you will find groups of people that often want to start marketing for and with you. You want to make a plan that often you're going to share each other's links. Okay, so you're going to share their link, they're going to share your link, they're going to share it to other people, and then the other people are also going to share it as well. So that's another example. Plan whether or not you're going to be dispensing their links and info in an email to your email list. And you're going to find out whether they'll be doing the same thing or whether or not you'll be a guest blogging on each other's website. Okay, so you're all going to be helping each other. Let's say you have a website, they have a blog, you're all going to be helping each other out, getting the word out there. And there's a lot of social media websites that you can go to when it comes to this. And you have Reddit, and you have Pinterest, and you have LinkedIn. Those are 3 of the really big ones that a lot of people go to. So you're going to need to come up with a plan, because you don't want to have anybody having expectations of you that are wrong. You don't want to be that person taking more from a relationship than the rest, okay? So you don't want to be getting a lot from someone, but you're not really giving them anything. You're the only one benefiting from it, and that's really not fair, okay? So you don't want to be that person. And this is where you can find, we're going to go back to where you can network. So let's just think about it. You have YouTube, you have Facebook, you have Twitter, which is a great networking platform. You have Pinterest, you have Reddit, which is also another great one. You have a lot of them. Even if you guys know some really good networking websites, please link them down below, because I would love to see those. Some new business owners might be more open to networking with you because they're new, and they might only have a few hundred followers, so they're going to be ready to grind. They're going to be ready to add your name to the mailing list. They're going to be ready to have you add their name to the mailing list, and both of you guys are going to be excited about sharing these tasks together. Now, let's say we have someone that already has 1 million followers. They're not going to be willing to network with you, okay, or even have you as a co-marketing partner. So you just have to think about it. You want to have somebody that's starting like you, that's ready to grind, or you have someone that's already there and they're not looking to add someone onto the team, if that makes sense. Now, I hope I gave you guys a lot of information about networking for wealth, helping you grow, helping friends grow. All of us need to come together and help each other grow. Now it's time for you guys to get to it. Make your plan, go ahead and grow your wealth, share your wealth, and let's always remember, Rome was not built in a day, and neither was a network. Now, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I really appreciate you guys watching, and I really love making this video. Thank you. Have a good day.